DP Polar is the first company to realize a rotary 3D printing process using a rotary table. For the first time ever, this continuous process enables industrial serial production with the advantages of additive manufacturing. Designed for serial production, this concept offers vastly enhanced productivity and the opportunity to integrate additive manufacturing throughout the entire production chain. We are speaking of the overall industrial process. The patented AM Polar printing process offers many further advantages as well. The heart of the AM Polar printing process is the continuously rotating build plate. To compare with existing standards, conventional 3D printing processes employ a Cartesian coordinate system on a square build plate. The application of every single layer, therefore, requires several unproductive starts and stops of the print heads. With tens of thousands of layer applications, this costs considerable production time and accelerates machine wear. This is why the rotary build plate represents a real revolution. Here, the print heads at UV light remain stationary over the build plate. This means that the overall time is 100% equal to the print time, the most important factor for increasing productivity and printing precision with minimal machine wear. During the printing process, the build plate continuously spirals downwards by layer. The challenge for this kind of radial build plate is equalizing the optical density between the inner and outer diameters. We achieve this thanks to our intelligent software that equalizes this polar compensation of the print density. The result, unprecedented productivity combined with minimal maintenance needs, a prerequisite for reliable continuous operation in industry. Separation of the build plate into 8 segments enables high flexibility in the printing process. This way, segments can be removed to extract parts that are already finished. This is especially practical when different geometrical shapes with different heights are being manufactured on the build plate. The revolutionary system can be integrated throughout the entire printing process, from prototype to pre-production, all the way to serial production and phase-out. Especially worthy of mention are the 2 print modes. In prototyping mode, print time is significantly reduced since only subsegments are used. In production mode, the entire surface receives equal utilization, maximizing part output. With this approach, the same machine and the same machine settings can handle both product development and process development. The precise positioning of the build plate makes it possible to integrate external processes into the printing process and to automate hybrid processes. For example, pick and place can be implemented in the printing process. All that is needed is to quickly pause the printing process and activate the pick and place feeder. The printed items are automatically fitted with the parts through pick and place, and the printing process continues. Filling can also be conducted manually at any time. The revolutionary AM Polar printing process is designed as part of a well-thought-out overall process that covers everything from the choice of material to ERP integration to automated pre- and post-processing down to the finished process. Ready for automated further processing in both small and large series. The needs of modern industrial production demand new manufacturing technologies. The keywords here are flexibility and freedom of design. We work with high-performance materials, which means that our customers enjoy access to groundbreaking technical materials and the corresponding expertise. Through our open materials platform, we work with leading specialty chemicals companies to provide the best material solution for every unique application. We also go the extra mile to adapt existing materials to customer-specific needs. Our jetting process makes it possible to apply multiple materials at the same time. Through the targeted mixing of materials during the printing process, we achieve the desired material characteristics precisely where they are needed on the part. This guarantees optimal performance, functionality, and component costs, with our AM Polar 3D printers. Achieving this with technical materials and industrial productivity is now possible for the first time. This enables each customer to achieve their goals in their unique digital environment. Since the data is held by the customer, they remain in full control at all times. Product data is transmitted to the AM Polar printer through a standard interface. Once data is taken from the ERP system, it can then be optimized to meet further requirements. The subsequent parts can be provided with individual track and trace coding. Whether it's a name, serial number, or QR code, the associated variable data can easily be transferred from an external database for printing. The machine parameters are automatically assigned to the part. Even the positioning of the printed objects on the print plate is fully automated. For optimum utilization and high productivity. The automatically created support structure makes even complex geometrical shapes possible. Because it is water-soluble, disposal is easy and environmentally friendly. The process uses no chemical solvents. Our intelligent Polar Slicer software defines the layer thickness. The resolution and surface quality of the printed objects can thus be set precisely. Our printers automatically prepare standards-compliant documentation, guaranteeing fully traceable production. What's more, our optional track and trace feature provides counterfeit protection and product security throughout the entire production cycle. Not only at batch scale, as known to date, but even every individual part. The division of the platform into segments allows for fast and automatable integration in post-processing. Finished printed objects can simply be transferred to the subsequent production chain. Depending on customer needs, this step can either be manual or fully automated. The support material fixes the products to the surface of the segments and supports them during the printing process. All that is needed to remove it entirely is an ultrasonic water bath with a drying area. The water can then be recycled for environmental friendliness. Because it uses no chemical solvents, the process is also highly safe. The support material dissolves in the water bath as the printed parts sink into the catch basin. Since the support material is easily separated, the water can be reused within a closed cycle for eco-friendly production. The dried products are then sorted, packed, and delivered, or can continue their journey along the production chain. The flexible AM Polar system guarantees high output in additive serial production. And the machine comes in two versions. The AM Polar I1 for medium production volumes and the AM Polar I2 for maximum production volumes. The powerful solution for maximum productivity. Take maximum advantage of the benefits of innovation in additive manufacturing. Contact us for further information.